If you've been injured at a rental house in Porterville, you should know that California law requires rental homeowners to maintain safe and habitable living conditions for tenants. When hazards like broken steps, uneven walkways, exposed wiring, faulty plumbing, loose handrails, mold, or inadequate lighting are neglected, serious injuries can happen. If the property owner knew or should have known about a dangerous condition and failed to repair it, they may be liable for your medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other expenses. It's a legal principle called premises liability. However, insurance companies often rush to downplay injuries, or they may try shifting blame onto victims. A personal injury attorney can help you document unsafe conditions, secure inspection and repair records, and protect your claim before evidence disappears. At Mason Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured at a rental house in Porterville, contact Mason Law right away.